So this remote control can do a lot of things. It can fast forward, it can rewind, it can pause, it can SAP Spanish, it can mute, it can do a multitude of things. So when I would say, let's say pause, they freeze. All right, I'm going to have a little bit of fun with this incredible remote control. So play. Can I get a conflict? What are these guys fighting over? That's too deep. No. They're fighting over a parking spot. So, Nora and Nathan, take it away.
This is the last bus parking spot, and I have been going to this library every day for the past 20 years. And this is my bike parking spot.
Wow, you're a real nerd.
Thank you. I wear that as a badge of honor right here. Hold on, let me leave my bike against the street. Here's my badge. Proud nerd. For why? Proud nerd. Hold on, let me do this. Come on, back. Use off the tree.
Play.
Put this back against the tree here. Stand up. Proud nerd. I polish it every day with genuine beeswax.
My bike is here though, bro.
Look, I don't think you understand the rules of the library.
Slow motion. Fast forward. Play.
Oh my gosh! My foot is in sour cream! Why did you kick my foot? Tell me,
My bike.
listen, you may be stronger than me. Physically. But I'm stronger than you intellectually. Almost ahead! I'm gonna get the librarian on you.
Okay.
Go in.
Oh, I'm so scared.
You should be. She's really mean. She'll take your library card away.
Rewind.
She'll take your library card away.
I'm so scared.
Play.
She'll take your library card away.
Oh, I'm so scared.
SAP Spanish.
Play small. Play regular. I just don't like it.
Dude, maybe don't tell the librarian on me. Maybe we can work something out.
Next chapter.
Right, so I think,
You don't have the bike parked
well,
Monday.
Thursday,
Thursday,
Saturday.
The library's full.
But I was on Saturday, so it doesn't matter. So it's 3 and 3. And then, alright, then I think that was. What we do when it's raining and you track the mud on the parking spot? When it's all that on.
We could put a tarp. We could split it apart.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna conservation get a bummer. No, that's someone's gonna take that. It's valuable. Fast forward. That's why I think if we just you stand right here, you stand over here, and this over here. You seal the blue right here. You gotta stand
Wait,
right
wait,
here.
hold on.
Stand right
That's
here.
in my life. My life. Is this in my
Yeah,
life?
say hold on. Wait,
Slow motion.
Just stop here.
I don't think I can.
Play.
We've been working on this for 5 hours.
I didn't find print the first time.
Yeah. You always read fine print. That's what you do in the library. You read fine print. Why? I thought you knew that. I thought you knew that. That's what you do in the library. You always read the fine print.
I just read the fine print.
We've been working on this for 5 hours. Do you know geography? Do you know science?
Making myself a student.
Do you know math? Do you know the fundamental laws of nature?
I feel really interrogated right now. I know all of those questions.
Do you know? How do you live?